yesterday's top 3 with increased visibility, the best news and articles in the internet marketing and digital media industry from yesterday. I'm Taylor Rogers.
And I'm Mike Svetlik. Our first article is about the state of social media measurement. As social media becomes a hot topic for many companies and industries, you want to make sure that you're measuring the right activities that are happening online.
Industries such as food services and retail are becoming more aware of the impact of social on their business and are able to track accordingly. Are you utilizing your Google Analytics to its maximum capacity?
We sure hope so. SEO Moz offers a step-by-step process on how to set up your goals, create multi-channel funnels, and analyze flow visualization charts.
That's a big word. So Mike, can I ask you something?
Absolutely.
Do you normally buy your apps for your iPhone?
iPhone and iPad, sometimes about half and half.
Oh, see, I don't normally buy mine, but Mashable came out with the 6 most noteworthy applications for purchase. You see, there's a lot of applications to choose from, but these are not only the most noteworthy, but they're the most applicable for everyday life, breathalyzer included.
Yeah. So to follow along, make sure you check out increasevisibility.com or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube.
Thanks.